Are you struggling to customize the TabBar indicator width and height in your app? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to tackle it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you want to make your app look just right, but you feel limited by the available properties. You're not the only one who has felt this way. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I customize the TabBar indicator width and height? I can only see the color property available." Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So, what's the deal with the TabBar indicator? The default settings often limit customization options, which can be frustrating. But don't worry, there are ways to achieve the look you want. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you customize your TabBar even further. To customize the TabBar indicator's width and height, the user should start by creating a custom indicator widget. This widget will allow for more flexibility in styling. Next, the user needs to implement the custom indicator in the TabBar. This involves using the TabBar's indicator property to specify the custom widget they just created. Now, the user should define the dimensions of the custom indicator. This can be done by specifying the width and height in the container widget that was created earlier. Finally, the user can test the TabBar to see the customized indicator in action. They should run their application and check if the indicator appears as expected. Fun fact, did you know that the TabBar was first introduced in mobile apps to help users navigate easily? Now, we can customize it to fit our unique styles. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user sets adjusting the spacing between the tabs. You can do this by using the label padding property with edge_insets.symmetric, setting the horizontal padding to 5. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the TabBar property called indicator weight. This allows you to customize the height and width of the indicator directly. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution comes from another user who suggests using the Tab Indicator Styler package. This package allows for more advanced styling options for your TabBar indicator, including customizing its width and height. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach shared by another user involves customizing the TabBar indicator using the underlined tab indicator class. They suggest setting the border side's width and color, along with insets for padding. This allows you to define the indicator's appearance more precisely. Additionally, they recommend using the TabBar's indicator size property to control how the indicator behaves relative to the tabs. This can enhance the overall look and feel of your TabBar. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. One alternative solution is to customize the TabBar indicator by setting the indicator weight to 0. You can use the underlined tab indicator class to define the border side with your desired width and color. Here's that great tip I promised. Always test your customizations on different devices to ensure they look good everywhere. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to customize the TabBar indicator width and height. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for even more customization tricks.